This is the time when I actually added the paste. This is a paste of black sesame seed, garlic, and chili, and I added a little salt along with it in the paste actually. So I just put this paste and now I'm gonna mix it. And yeah, then I have to cook for 10 minutes more. I'll add a like little amount of water along with it, and that's it, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, here it is. I mixed the paste, added the water, added 1 teaspoon of salt, and now it's gonna get boiled for 5 to 7 minutes, and that's it, because chicken जो है वो आधा cooked है, fried भी है, cooked भी है. So yeah, it's just that much of time that we have to give, so that the entire flavor and the fragrance of black sesame seeds just gets into the chicken, and that's it. So yeah, 10 minutes max, ढक्कन लगा के, of course. Yeah. And yeah, it's almost ready. It's actually ready. Just turn off the gas. Yeah. The meat is almost separated from the bone. It's complete.